Tired of your default Discord avatar blending in? Change it in under a minute with this simple guide. I'll walk you through each step, from opening Discord to saving your new avatar. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your computer or browser. Then, click on your profile picture or your profile name in the bottom left corner. Now, from the menu that appears, select Edit Profile. In the User Settings window, click on your current profile picture. Then, click on Change Avatar to open the avatar options. Click on Upload Image to pick a file from your computer. Once you've selected your new image, click on Apply. Finally, click on Save to confirm the change, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.